Okay, so let's first off, let's identify all these components, okay? So this is the snout, obviously, for the input shaft, which is one piece with the forward clutch. Could you please just remove the direct clutch shell first? Okay, so you can set that down. We'll put it in order. And that's the inside of the direct clutch, okay? The direct clutch, these cogs here, they engage with these teeth here of your forward clutch, so we'll move that to the side. Next is your forward clutch. You can remove that assembly. Now the forward clutch, obviously this is one piece. These clutch plates will engage your front ring gear. Okay, so we're talking about the, actually we'll do the power flow after. We'll identify these parts. So what is this piece here? That is your front ring gear, okay? Your front ring gear, which is spline to the forward clutch, okay? And it will be turned by the forward clutch if the forward clutch is applied. And what is in there? That is your front planetary carrier. Go ahead and remove that. And the front planetary carrier, remember this, the front planetary carrier is spline to your rear ring gear. If front planetary carrier turns, rear ring gear turns. Rear ring gear, okay? Next, you have the front half of your common sun. That just comes off. And what is this piece here? This is the input drum. Okay, common sun input drum, or the drive shell. That comes off next. Okay. What's this piece here? Guys, what is this? The low reverse clutch piston. Excellent. That can come off. Okay. Now obviously this is your common sun gear, has to come out first because there's a snap ring here. Common sun. Then the low reverse clutch apply piston. Okay. Then now this piece here. What is this?
Low reverse.
Well, the external splines there. We'll just grab a couple of examples. This is the low reverse clutch pack. Okay. The steel plates of the low reverse clutch pack are lugged to the transmission case. Okay. So that means this is a holding device. These do not turn. Okay. And the friction material is splined to the, which component is this? The rear reactionary carrier. So you can remove this now. Okay. So that rear carrier is going to be held by the low roller, right? One-way clutch was inside here underneath this washer. Okay, there's your one-way clutch. Okay. When it's in reverse gear, the low reverse clutch piston applies, which you get the additional holding force of these clutch plates against the housing. Perfect. After that, this is the rear ring gear, which also has the shaft, the final drive sun gear drive shaft. Okay. Now the rear ring just splines on top of that, of your output shaft. Okay. There's a thrust bearing. Don't forget the thrust bearing. Now the rear ring drive shaft, that is splined to the, what is this unit here? Your final drive. Okay. What I'm about to remove here, this is the final drive's own ring gear. Okay. The final drive ring gear is also lugged to the case. This unit does not spin whatsoever. It's always stationary. It's a reactionary member. Sun gear, the sun gear here within your final drive, okay, that is splined to the output shaft of your rear ring. Meaning if rear ring turns, rear sun turns. And finally the carrier, the rear planetary carrier, if the part of the differential, it's all one unit here. Okay?